Hello, how you doing? It's Saturday the 8th of February, could be the 9th, 7 Fahrenheit. Got a guy calling me, no heat, 16-year-old unit, not heating at this time, so on my way to see if we can get him heat. If I can get you some footage, I will. Might have a busy day today. 16-year-old unit, no idea what make, so let's see what's going on. Yeah, see you soon. Well, this is good. I'll just show you down here when you start to see this here. You see that crust in the hole? Okay. Right here it's starting to leak. See all that crust there? So you'll want to fix that. The reason why I say that is that's where all your flue gas goes, okay? That's your combustion gases. So they get vented outside. But once you start to get this compromised, you know, if it's leaking water, there's a potential it could leak everything else. Yeah. You don't want that. No. Okay. Alright guys, so upon arrival found the unit running. Did notice some venter motors leaking. Collector box is showing some rust. So I'm going to pull the blower on this one afterwards and check the heat exchanger. Okay, so we also have .9 weak run cap. Alright, so I'm going to pull the blower here, check the heat exchanger on these. That's clear. That's clear. Where you want to look, okay, is right where my finger is down here, they still go. This one's not terrible. Okay, so that's good. All right, so weak cap, check the heat exchanger, that's okay. Port's good. I'm gonna check that flame sensor for flame signal, see how that's doing. All right, guys, so time to check the flame sensor. On these, I believe there's a flame sensor wire. Right here, there it is. So that one right there, I'm gonna clip my lead on there. And then there's a little tab in there. Okay. Right there, and that's where your other lead's gonna go. Right there. I know, Beaver. I'm gonna get a magnet. Alright, so let's start this guy up. Right now for this one here, we want to see about 1.0 and above for Lennox. So that's our culprit right there. Another dirty sensor. Let's get that out, clean it, and let the customer know. Got the sensor in there, cleaned. Check the flame reading on this. So there we go, guys. I like to check everything when I come for a diagnostic, so just to make sure this guy's not putting money into a unit that's gonna break down on him, or
could see that his water tank or his AC was leaking at some point. There we go. Okay guys, so there we are, another sensor for the day. So let me wrap this up, get this put together, leave the guy the recommendations, and see what he wants to do. Alright guys, just leaving that one. So 17-year-old Lennox G41. Basically the no heat was the cause of another dirty flame sensor below 1.0 and dropping out. Cleaned the sensor, got it back up and running. While on site we did find leaking inducer motor, or evidence of a leaking inducer motor, so put that on the recommendation. Also found a weak run cap, 4.0 out of 5, put that on the recommendation. 17 years old, customer actually was in the process of getting a new unit, so we're looking at putting in a new furnace AC for him. Check the heat exchanger on that one. Those are common, they start to crack, at least here they do. I don't know if it's because they don't pitch it properly, but they're starting to rot the primaries where it meets the secondary. If you go on my Instagram, hoser_HVAC, you'll see some videos there of those cracks that I find. Anyways, his was okay. It's starting to rust, but his is okay. So that was it for that one. It was an easy one, turned into a system sale, and that is it. So once again, guys in Ontario, check it out. Local 787 Union. Join the brothers. Great pay, great pension, best benefits. Up above, we got channels. HVAC Overtime every Friday. Shop Talk is Zach Ciota's channel. Have a look out there. HVAC Uncensored. HVACR Tech also has some great videos as well that he's putting up. Lots of great guys putting out content, guys. So check out their channels. Subscribe, like. Appreciate watching. Leave me a comment down below. Other than that, off to the next one. Another no heat, 7-year-old. Talk to you soon.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here